Hello everyone! Today I will show you how to create amazing animated videos using Powtoon. Powtoon is a user-friendly web application that lets you make beautiful animations with ease. So let's get started. So as you can see here, there's a button that says Start Now. So let's click on that button and enter your email address and password to create your Powtoon account. Here, in my case, I'll go with continue with Google option, so you can actually use both options. So once you're all set up, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard where you will have access to all the tools you need. It's that simple. So your dashboard is going to look like this. Take a look at the left side of your screen. You will notice different sections like home, templates, imports, and blank page. These sections are your go-to places for accessing all the cool features and options Powtoon has to offer. Now on the right side of the dashboard we have the toolbox. Inside the toolbox you will find your created Powtoons, a learning center to expand your skills, apps to enhance your videos, and iterations to keep your track of progress. It's like having a whole suite of tools right at your fingertips. Down at the bottom of the workspace, you'll see featured template sections. These templates are popular ones that are trending among Powtoon users. They are a great starting point if you're looking for some inspiration. So to begin creating your animated masterpiece, simply click on Create button on the right side. Let's say you want to make an animated explainer video. So it will suggest templates that are specifically tailored for animated explainers. So here it gets even better. You have the power to customize your search. If you are into whole whiteboard video style, Powtoon has a bunch of templates dedicated to that. Maybe you are more interested in creating engaging presentations or eye-catching infographics. Powtoon has got you covered with the templates for those two. You can filter out the templates based on your preferences and find exactly what you're looking for. Once you have explored the options, it's time to choose a template that resonates with you. However, if you're feeling adventurous and want to start from scratch, you can click on blank option on the left side. This gives you the freedom to let your creativity run wild and build your video from the ground up. For now, let's click on blank and choose the kind of project view we want. If you're going for a horizontal video, vertical video, or a square format for Instagram, you can pick your options from this. If you are making it for phones, vertical might be the way to go. For those HD videos, stick with the horizontal, and there's the cool real-time capture feature, but we can keep that for now. It's for meetings and live streams. So let's say we are going with a horizontal video. So for this one, a new tab pops up. That's the Powtoon Studio where the real magic happens. Give it a second to load up. Now Powtoon might ask you what look you want for your animation, but we will skip that for now. We are starting fresh. Okay, brace yourself. It might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but don't sweat it. Look at the left side of the screen. You will see a bunch of frames. Each frame represents a moment in your video or slideshow. So if you want more frames, you can just hit that plus icon and you got yourself extra frame. Keep adding them to create your video masterpiece. Now, here's a trick. Powtoon offers a grid view option. It's perfect if you're all about that alignment game. Turn on that grid and you can make sure everything lines up perfectly. And adjust those images and create harmonious layout. And don't forget about the horizontal aspect ratio you chose earlier. That keeps the video in the right shape so it looks stylish. You can also zoom in and zoom out your video frame. It's a cool feature that lets you get a closer or a wider view. Plus, on the right side, you'll find a more detailed options to explore. And also at the top, you get different templates to choose from. And don't forget to save your work using the Save Current Scene button. And you can also choose a scene that suits your taste. So as you can see here, there's a toolbox offers scenes, backgrounds, texts, characters, props, shapes, images, videos, sounds, and other specials. It's like having a whole range of creative tools at your disposal. So to get started, let's select a scene. You can either upload your own or browse scenes library. To get started, let's select a scene. You can either upload your own or browse Powtoon's scenes library. So click on another look on the bottom and we will go for a cartoonish vibe. And you can see there are options. So let's select finance for now. So once the scene is added, feel free to make any modifications or additions you like. Now let's move on to adding a text. So now we go to the toolbar and select the text. I will place the title on the canvas and making sure it looks just right. You have the freedom to adjust its position and appearance to achieve your desired look. Now let's click on the settings bar to make some changes. I'm going to play around with the font and make it really big. From here, you can also adjust the color, opacity, and effects of the text. If you want it pop or fade, also handwritten effect, you can even make it bounce, appear gradually, or roll across the screen. There are plenty of features to explore. So I'm going to go with a pop version, and you can also lock all the settings together so you don't accidentally change them while working on your project. It's a handy way to keep everything consistent. Now let's type in our text here. Let's say cheers. Take a look at our first slide. Then let's click on the black arrow and then move the bar to the back. This is how it will appear. Let's say you want to add different text at another point in the video. Simply pause it or drag the black arrow down to the section where you want to type. Let's say I want to type my text here and add a designed title. Look at the different text options available. So there are many varieties and options here. But for now, let's go for some plain text. I'll just keep it simple and say, we did it. So when I click the text, as you can see here, there is a draggable bar. It allows you to control how long the text will appear on the screen. Let's make it appear until this point, and then once again move the black cursor to the back and preview our animation. Next, I will customize this text a bit. I will change the font to match the other one or any other color I want, and by adjusting the color and even change the effect of how it appears. Another cool feature is the ability to add a writing effect. It looks like a hand is writing the text you have entered. This effect works great if you are creating a blackboard or whiteboard videos. It adds a touch of elegance to your animation, but for animated videos, you might prefer your text to pop up or roll in a different way. Once you're done with the selection, you can preview your animation once again, step by step, and then you have it. Creating an animation using Powtoon Studio is that easy. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial, that it helps you to create your own animations with ease using Powtoon. It's worth mentioning that these features are used available in the free version of Powtoon. However, if you choose for the paid version, you will have even more access and possibilities. For example, in the Pro version, you will find a wider variety of characters. Let me show you a general pricing list for Powtoon. So as you can see here, there are three options you can choose from: light, professional, and a business. So if you scroll down, you can see the comparison of all the three subscription plans. So by upgrading to the Pro version, you will unlock a whole range of additional features and assets to enhance your animation. So that wraps it up for today's video. I hope you find it helpful, and I'll see you all in the next one. Thank you.